this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely flower card with the Awash in Beauty suite. Here is my True Beauty card using the True Beauty bundle, which is part of the Awash in Beauty suite. So the bundle includes the stamps, the dies to cut out all the images, which I love, plus some extra dies, and then this awesome diamond die. And there's so many different uses for the diamond die that are so cool. And then of course there's some iridescent pearls, super pretty, and the Awash in Beauty Designer Series paper, which is watercolored, which I also love. And the dies will cut out the images on the sheet of paper, all the dies. So really cool. I love it when they coordinate like that. Okay, so for this card, I have started with Balmy Blue, 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2 and cut in half. And then I have cut this out of a piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I used an adhesive sheet on the back to make it super duper easy to adhere. So just peel off the backing and stick it down. And that's it. Then I have a deckled rectangle from the deckled rectangle dies that I've cut out of basic white, and I'm just going to use some dimensionals to pop this layer up. And I'm just going to place this right in the middle here. And then next I am going to stamp the flower. And I did a little bit of coloring on the stamp with sponge daubers. So I'm going to stamp the flower first in polished pink. And then I'm going to use a Mary Merlot dauber, and I'm just going to very gently, very slightly add a bit of Mary Merlot to the center and then stamp it. And then that gives me that 2-color look with just one stamp. And I already have some flowers cut out. So I've got 2 flowers cut out, and I've got 2 leaves cut out, or 2 stems and leaves cut out. So I'm going to add dimensionals to all of these, and I've also stamped the leaves in a similar way. I started with the Granny Apple Green color, and then with a sponge dauber I used Mossy Meadow to just ink up these edges right here to give me that 2-color look again. And so I'm just going to stamp that right here. And then that gives me that 2-color look right there. And then I have these all cut out already, and I've got dimensionals on them. So I'm going to trim the bottom off of this and place this in the upper right-hand corner. And then I'm gonna trim off the bottom of this one and place it in the opposite corner. And then I'm just going to add the flowers to each side. And then I have some paper to stamp my sentiment. So now I'm just going to stamp the sentiment in Balmy Blue. And then I'm going to use my little mini die cutting machine and use this die from the Sun Prince suite. And I'll just make sure I get this in the right place, and then put this on top and roll this through. mini die is so handy. And then I'm just gonna add some dimensionals onto the back. And then I will add this to the front of the card. And then the last step is to add some of these pretty pearls. So I'll grab this large one and then I'll get 2 smaller ones for the top. And this is nice, simple, but pretty and elegant card that you can make with the True Beauty stamp set. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. And you'll get supplies for 6 cards, 2 of each. Just email me and let me know, and I will send you this card kit. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.